For a while, my hair was hard, it was brittle and extremely frizzy. It just kept breaking off and was not retaining moisture. Until I found this honey mixture that changed the game. This honey hair butter could give you the much needed help by locking in the moisture and promoting hair growth. And now I'm going to share the recipe with you. Here goes. Hi, welcome back to my channel. To start making the honey hair butter, we'll add a tablespoon of shea butter. Make sure it's a big scoop. And then we melt it using the double boiler method. Shea butter is known for moisture providing properties. It hydrates and restores your hair's natural oils. Next, we add a tablespoon of jojoba oil to stimulate circulation in the scalp, nourish and strengthen the hair follicles to grow, and promote hair growth and thickness. After which we add a tablespoon of castor oil to improve moisture. Now for the main ingredient, which is honey, we add a tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural emollient that promotes softness and manageability, as well as restores damaged hair follicles. Lastly, I'll add 5 drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil promotes growth and provides stress relief when massaged into the scalp. As you've seen, this honey hair butter is easy to make and it will give you the much needed protection and lock in that moisture. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. Cheers.